In this video, we're diving into how to use Storebuild.ai to build a fully functional dropshipping store without touching a single line of code. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build profitable e-commerce systems that don't waste your time. If you've ever opened Shopify, stared at a blank theme, and thought, where do I even start? Then Storebuild is built for you. It takes the idea in your head and it turns it into a live store in just a few minutes. So let's walk through exactly how it works. What is Storebuild.ai? All right, let's just start with the basics here. What even is Storebuild? Storebuild.ai is kind of like having a web designer and a copywriter rolled into one, but it runs on AI. The idea is super simple. You give it a few details about your store, like the name, niche, and a little description, and then it goes off and creates an actual e-commerce site for you. We're talking a homepage, layout, sections, fonts, images, product descriptions, the whole deal. It's not just giving you a generic template. It creates a full site that looks like something that you'd find from a premium theme or a professional designer. But instead of days or weeks or thousands of dollars, it takes a few minutes. The goal isn't to replace your input completely. It just gets you out of the starting block faster. It's like showing up to a race and finding out someone already ran the first mile for you. The step-by-step setup process. All right, let's walk through what it actually looks like when you use Storebuild. So to get started with Storebuild, all you need to do is click the link down below in the description, which will bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and get started for free. So let's go ahead and walk through this together. So again, when you click that link down below in the description, it's going to bring you to this page right here. Now, what you do is you just start by picking your niche, whether that's clothing, pets, tech, home, sports, or maybe you need some inspiration. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and select tech. So from here, all you need to do is put in your first name, an email, and a phone number to claim your store. So with that information input, we can go ahead and move on to the next step. So from here, we just need to pick a color. And what's really nice about Storebuild.ai is they've got this little timer up here in the top right to tell you approximately how much longer it's going to take. And after just signing up and getting on to step one, we only have 6 minutes left, which is pretty awesome. So now we just pick a color. We can pick orange, we can pick green, blue, or red. Now, all of this stuff is editable down the line. But for this example and the image they chose, I kind of like how either this blue or this orange is looking, since the picture on there is kind of blue and orange. I'm going to choose orange because it just pops out a little bit more. And we can go ahead and click on next. Now next, we can go ahead and choose a banner. So like I said, I sort of picked the orange color based on that banner. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep that one, and we'll go ahead and click on next. And as you can see, we only got 5 minutes left here. So we'll go ahead and click next. Sweet. Now it's going to say claim my store now. That's how quick it is to go ahead and make this. So let's go ahead and do that. Then it's going to say to create a Shopify account if you don't already have one. Now, one thing that's important to note is you want to make sure you sign up with the same email for Shopify that you did for Storebuild.ai. Otherwise, it won't work. So let's go ahead and click on create Shopify account here. And all you need to do is enter your email address, and you can go ahead and get started with a free 3-day trial. After that, your first 6 months are going to be just $1 per month on select plans. So let's go ahead and get signed up for Shopify. And we'll go ahead and click create Shopify account. Now, in order for Storebuild to work, we're going to need to pick a plan and put in our credit card information. Now, we won't be charged today. You get a free 3-day trial, and after those 3 days is when you'll be charged. So as you can say, today it's a free 3-day trial. Next, it'll be $1 per month for 3 months, and that will come in 3 days. So let's go ahead and fill that out so we can go ahead and claim our store. Okay, and with our payment information in there, now we can go ahead and select a plan. For this example, I'm just going to go ahead with the basic plan, but Shopify's got a couple different plans you can choose from. There's the basic plan at typically $39 per month, the Grow plan typically $105 per month, and the Advanced plan at $399 per month. Now, you get some different things with each of these. A big thing is the transaction fees. So you're going to get a better rate the higher plan you go up, but But for most of you, if you're just starting out, the basic plan is more than enough, and you can always upgrade down the road. That's one thing I love about Shopify is they make it super easy to upgrade as your store and business grows. So let's go ahead and click on Try Basic, and we'll go ahead and fill out our business information, and we'll go ahead and click on Save Business Address. Now I'm gonna go ahead and skip this customized setup, and now this will just bring us straight to our Shopify dashboard. So now we can come back here to Storebuild.ai, and we'll go ahead and just click on Next. Now it's important that we keep both of these tabs open because we're gonna be needing some stuff out of here. So we're gonna need to get that Shopify URL. So let's come back here. I'm gonna go ahead and just select that, Command A and Command C to select all and copy, and we'll Command V to paste that back in and click Save. Now we can go ahead and click Next. Now here's where it gets really cool. So Storebuild.ai is integrated with Zendrop. So you can actually go ahead and add winning products just by clicking this purple button here. And that's gonna link up Zendrop to your account. Now, Zendrop is one of the best dropshipping platforms out there. They source from Europe as well as the US, so you can get some faster shipping times compared to some other sites like AliExpress or Alibaba, which can take weeks and is not ideal for you or your customers. So let's go ahead and do that now. We'll go ahead and click on Add Winning Products, and it's gonna ask us to install Zendrop. So go ahead and click Install, and then this will open up another window in our Shopify dashboard. We'll go ahead and click Install, and we'll go ahead and click Approve. Now, this is just talking about your next bill, and you only get charged based on how you use this app, like how much you use it. It's got like a $79 maximum, but you're not charged anything right away. So we'll go ahead and click Continue Onboarding, and this will bring us back to Storebuild.ai. Sweet, so now that we've added the winning products, we can go ahead and click on Receive Store. Fantastic. Now we'll just go ahead and click on Go Live. All right, so we are there. We can go ahead and click Next. Now our store is ready. We just need to go in and remove the password in Shopify. So we'll go ahead and click on that button and do that now. So we'll go ahead and turn that off, and we'll go ahead and click Save. Sweet. So now Storebuild.ai has done its thing. It's built us our store. Now everything is inside of Shopify. Our store, our products, everything. And we can go ahead and make those changes inside of Shopify if we want to. So first things first, let's go ahead and take a look at what our store looks like. So we'll go ahead, click on this little online store over here and click on this little eyeball, and this will go ahead and open up our store. As you can see, we have that kind of orange and blue banner that we were looking for, and here we go. Here's our website with products in it ready to buy. So this is our homepage. If we click around, we can come to our catalog, and here we've got some products already. So, and we can go search by availability, we can search by price, sort it differently. We can go ahead and maybe click on this magic flying drone, UFO flying spinner, and it's already got this add to cart. You can buy with Shop Pay, and it's even got some reviews built in there as well. So like this thing is ready to go, which is really awesome. Really great about this too is you can go ahead and just click on Customize Theme down here in the bottom right, and now you can go in here and make any changes to this that you'd like. Storebuild.ai, it's fantastic. Is it perfect? No. But it's a lot better than just staring at a blank screen when it's time to set up your dropshipping store. So what I love about it is that it gives you a great place to start. And from there, you can tweak it to your needs or just set it live and start selling immediately. Custom questions about Storebuild. Now here are a few quick answers to stuff that people tend to ask. Do you need Shopify to use Storebuild? The answer is yes, you do. Can you customize the design after it's generated? Yes, you can. Everything's editable, from colors and fonts to product details and layout sections. What if you don't like the site that it creates? Just go and regenerate a new one. There's no limit to how many you can make. Can you connect a domain and go live? Yep. Storebuild lets you publish or export your store so you can connect your domain and launch however you like. Now, Storebuild.ai doesn't try to do everything. It focuses on doing one thing really well: getting your e-commerce store built and ready fast. For drop shippers, first-time sellers, or even experienced store owners who want to test and launch quickly, it's a huge shortcut. And it's not just about saving time. It's about avoiding the usual pain points that slow people down. You're not stuck staring at a blank theme or Googling how to add a testimonial section in Shopify. You're moving forward. So if you want to get your store up and running without spending hours tinkering, then Storebuild.ai, definitely worth a look. And that's it for this walkthrough. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Ecom Mastery, we're here to see you succeed with e-commerce, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.